Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Sharp. Today, we're sharing an inspirational fable about uncovering your hidden strengths and committing to practice with heart, leading to true success. It's a reminder that each of us holds special gifts, and with a positive spirit, we can shine in whatever we pursue. Along the journey, we'll weave in fresh insights and simple lessons to sharpen your mind in an engaging way. So, stick around until the end. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a warm family in a serene nook of the town. This family included a spirited 12-year-old boy named Alex, who was in the 6th grade. Alex was full of energy, always dashing outside to play, and his greatest joy was kicking a soccer ball around. Nearly every afternoon, Alex would race to the open meadow nearby, where he sharpened his soccer moves under the golden sun. One lazy afternoon, after returning from school, Alex flopped onto the sofa, his mind swirling like autumn leaves. He flipped open a textbook, gazed at it briefly, then sank back into the plush pillows with a frown creasing his brow. His dad, who had just stepped in from tending the garden, spotted this odd mood and approached his son. Sitting close, he gently asked what was weighing on his heart. Alex confessed he'd gotten a low mark in math. But that wasn't the real sting. He revealed that his best buddy and next-door neighbor, Ben, always aced math tests. No matter how much Alex pushed himself, he couldn't match up. Hearing this, Alex's dad fetched a cool glass of water to ease his son's worries. Once Alex had settled, his dad led him out to their lush backyard oasis, shaded by whispering trees and blooming flowers that danced in the breeze. "Alex," his dad started softly, "I want you to grasp 3 vital lessons from today. These will light your path as you grow." Alex, who held his dad in high regard, looked puzzled yet eager. "What are they, Dad?" he wondered. "You'll uncover each one through a small quest I'll set," his dad replied with a knowing grin. After a quiet moment, his dad went on. "For the first lesson, invite Ben to a soccer match with you tomorrow." Alex agreed, his curiosity sparking like fireflies at dusk. The next morning dawned crisp and inviting, and Alex headed to school with his typical bounce. That afternoon, post-classes, he asked Ben to join him for soccer in the meadow. As always, Alex, who practiced soccer daily, ruled the game. He netted 3 goals, guiding his side to a thrilling win. Ben, new to the sport, fumbled often, losing the ball and slipping up, but the group laughed and enjoyed the fun. Later, Alex tidied up and rushed to the garden to see his dad. "Dad, I played soccer with Ben today. What's the first lesson?" His dad smiled wisely and asked, "How did it go?" Alex recounted his goals and Ben's struggles. His dad nodded. "See this, Alex? Ben might falter at soccer, but he shines in math. Just as you might stumble in math but soar in soccer. We're all unique, and that's perfectly fine. We each have our own talents and fires." A spark of clarity lit Alex's eyes. He saw that differences make the world richer, not rivals. But his eagerness bubbled up. "What's the second lesson?" "For that," his dad said, "watch Ben closely at school tomorrow. Note how much he tinkers with numbers." The next day, Alex went to school, buzzing with purpose. He subtly observed Ben, spotting his math moments. After school, Alex kicked the ball around until evening, then shared with his dad. "Dad, Ben was all about numbers today. He solved equations, puzzled over riddles, figured out snack change at break, and even tallied stars in a drawing." His dad beamed warmly. "That's lesson 2, Alex. Ben excels in math because he loves it and practices it naturally. To improve at anything, keep at it regularly, like your soccer drills. It can be easy start with fun bits, like counting stars in the sky." Alex grinned, seeing how steady practice could turn weakness into strength, just as it had with his footwork. Without pause, Alex pressed, And the third lesson? His dad pondered briefly. First, tell me how much stronger Ben is at math than you. Alex thought, then said shyly, I guess Ben's about 3 times better. Okay, his dad replied. For the final quest, study math 3 times as hard tomorrow. Alex gulped but nodded. Resolve firm. The following day, after school, Alex dove into math. After 1 focused hour, he doubled down for 2 more, tripling his usual grind. But soon a dull ache pulsed in his temples, and he dozed off unwittingly. Later, his dad's gentle nudge woke him. Time for dinner. Then join me in the garden. Feeling let down, Alex met his dad, eyes downcast. Sorry, Dad. I failed the challenge. I studied hard, but my head ached, and I nodded off. His dad ruffled Alex's hair kindly. Alex, this shows what happens when you force mastery on something without joy. It's tough to keep the fire burning. But with what you love, dedication flows like a gentle stream, as in your soccer passion. In a hushed moment, his dad shared the closing wisdom. To grow wise and master a skill, either chase what you adore or kindle love for what you chase. Alex, brimming with awe for his dad's insight, vowed to hold these 3 lessons close forever. Today, through this fable, we've sharpened our minds with timeless truths. Remember, growth is joyful when you practice with purpose. Hit like, comment on how this tale inspired you, and share it far. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next story where we'll keep minds sharp together.